Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota GR86 Cup, and this is by Hotwheels. I bought it for MRP, which is 179. Again, don't overpay, don't support scalpers. So with that said, let's unbox this one. So again, I bought this. I do think I have this. Again, I'm saying that I do remember we unboxed a Toyota GR86 Cup, which is in blue color. I think which came during last year, if I'm not wrong. I bought this particular version just for the color because it's glittery brown, so I bought it. Okay, I just wanted to see how this one actually looks in hand out of the box. Okay, so here it is. So out of the box, okay, it looks good. I mean, it is glittery, not exactly 100% brown. You can say kind of a maroon color. Okay, so the livery looks good. I don't see much of an issue here. So the livery, even the sponsors, everything is placed really nice, and it has a good detailing to it. And they actually, did it in contrast color, which is really nice. And I don't know what this is about. I think you can open this in real car if I'm not wrong. I don't remember seeing this in that blue color. Okay. So it has headlight detailing, which is really nice. It has this Toyota logo. I mean, it is not accurate, but it is there, and it looks good. It has rear view mirrors, which is really nice. And okay, this particular set of rims actually matches this particular casting, and the color scheme they went with, I mean, it actually complements the overall casting. So it doesn't have any taillight details, or I don't know what this is supposed to be here. Because exhaust detailing you can see here. I don't know what this is supposed to be. The three dots there, that is embossed actually, or that is supposed to be, no, you can see tail light here on the sides. I don't know what that is. Okay, so okay, the casting body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. The interior looks really good. So one more thing guys, if you are going to planning to watch the video, please watch it at least till this point, even if you are not interested in watching till the end, because this is where I normally say whether what this casting is made of, because a lot of people are asking me in the comments again the same thing. I mean, I'm seeing multiple comments asking for the same thing, like whether it's full metal or metal on plastic or something for full plastic. I actually say this on all my videos. Maybe I missed out in one or two videos out of this all, like 750 videos or seven, I don't know, it's around 800 now, I don't remember. Out of the 700 plus videos, I might have missed out for one or two videos, but rest every video I am saying this. So please hear with audio. I am talking in English only, because so that everyone can understand. So please do watch the video at least till this particular point, so that you will know what I am talking about. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 34 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it is not fast, but it rolls. I don't see any wheel wobble. Okay, one more time. Okay, so I don't see any wheel wobble personally. So okay, let's rate this car now. Okay, out of 10 I would give 10. Again, I'm neglecting this one side missing paint job details, because again it's a main line. This is how it's supposed to be. So we are neglecting that, and we are rating out of 10 again. So out of 10 I would give 10 for this, because I don't see any issues with this. The paint job is really good. It is this glittery maroon kind of color. I mean, this looks really nice. It looks really beautiful. It has grill details and everything. Overall, it's a beautiful casting. I think you should go with it. Again, if you are a collector, please go ahead and buy it by all means. Uh, if you are saving money for one specific casting or something like that, My suggestion would be give preference to that BMW in case we are not getting that BMW. See, my suggestion are like this. Start. First would be till now I am talking about till this video. The first would be that BMW. Second would be that Ford GT. Third would be that Seisinger, and fourth would be this casting. So let's see about rest five cars which we are going to unbox this week, and maybe we will rearrange that. But as of now, the BMW stays in the first. I'm not going to move that because that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is a beautiful casting again. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.